everybody. Welcome to Larry's RC Room. For maybe the last time for a long time. Yeah, I've come to a dilemma and a point in my life to where the content creators takes just way too much time away from what I need to be focused on. As you've seen in the last video I uploaded to YouTube, it's kind of one of them. I appreciate everybody that supports my channel. I appreciate meeting all these people all over the world. I mean, it's been a really fun venture, and I can't say negative anything about it. It's just one of those things that life throws at you at times, and when it does, it's time to make a change. So, as you can see, I'm definitely going to stay RCing, and I'm definitely going to be laughing and playing. You know what I mean? We went out today and kids rode bicycles, and we played with the Casey Curry U4s. Had a ball. Didn't have to worry about making any videos or nothing like that with it. So it took a lot of stress and strain off of me. And that factor, and then creating the content afterwards, trying to edit it all together and all that stuff. It takes a toll on a person sometimes to do those things. So this stuff is not cheap. I haven't reached 1,000 or more, and I mean I've been doing content creations for almost 5 years. I thought my videos were doing well, but evidently they're not enough. So that one there, I just done it this evening. Put some of those blue inserts in it. Those are Hobby Park wheels. They're really nice. I like the Hobby Park wheels. I actually like these wheels better than I like the Endura wheels that I've gotten. These seem to be stouter. They're aluminum, but I did use the Endura brass lock rings in the front and the Endura aluminum lock rings in the back of these. The reason why is because I had weights on my other lock rings, peel and stick mag weights. And those Endura inserts, they like to slide around on those mag weights. They just slide back and forth and back and forth. Can't keep them still. I did tape some in on my trail vamp, and they work like that. I used some real thin carpet tape. It's a fiber mesh carpet tape. I wrapped it around the weights, and because I was running some Duratrax tires, I was able to make them work. The tires stretched right over everything. So anyways, with that being said, hey, laughing, playing, having fun, RCing's where it's at. You got to do what you got to do sometimes in life, whether you want to or not. I hate to give up my content creations. I had some big plans for my content, but evidently that ain't going to pan out. So, a little bit of health problems coming on, I do believe, along with just responsibilities for life in general. You can see I've got RCs hanging back there on the closet wall, or on the closet door even. See that? Something I forgot to show was, look there, I got 2 lowriders. Heck, I never get a chance to go play with those. See my sticker board? It's full up, man. It is getting fuller and fuller. I'm liking that stuff. That part of this hobby, this content creation stuff, I really enjoy. Getting letters in the mail from, wherever, Germany, Pakistan, everywhere, man. The UK, and sending stickers to those places. It's just totally awesome. Anyways, y'all have fun laughing, playing, and RCing. I'll stay in touch when I can. I can't promise that I'm gonna do it on a regular basis or nothing like that anymore. But yeah, it's been a treat. It really is, and meeting the great people of the hobby has been just a joy. It's been a total joy. Um, Blessings from the great Smoky Mountains here in East Tennessee, from my home to yours. I wish you the wells of wells, okay? And I just hope that everybody understands that man's got to do what a man's got to do sometimes. That is just a fun hobby, and I hope everybody gets to experience it and experience the joy of this hobby. It's a lot of tinkering, a lot of work, but then again, if you're not doing content creations, it makes it more fun because you don't have to worry about saying something wrong or doing something wrong. Uh, so, with all that being said, it's just, it's just fun. I'll sit here and anti-stress myself for this guy.
Bob it to start.
Yep, it's just so much fun. I have fun everywhere. Okay, Chewbacca, that's enough, buddy.
Maybe we should give it a rest, eh, Chewie?
Yeah, I think so, Chewy. Anyways, yep. Uh, like I said, I can't say enough about the people in the hobby. Can't say enough about how much fun it is to RC and how expensive it is. But my finances, my expenditures has got to be focused other places from here on out. I can't keep going the way I'm going and survive. I'm not getting any younger. Uh, Hopefully, here in the next 2 to 4 years, I'll be able to punch that retirement card. And so I've got to make plans for that. Uh, these upgrades that I got from Enjora, they're nice and they're budget friendly, really, compared to a lot of the other brander names. And you can watch your nickels and dimes and really do some creative things with this hobby and with these things that we play with. Okay, uh, it's not cheap, but it doesn't have to be a break the bank situation. Uh, you'll see a lot of people run out and they hoot and holler about this brand and that brand. You go to look at the prices, you're going, daggone, man, you must have a gold mine in your yard or something, I don't have a money tree growing in my yard. Where's your money tree at? No, so I don't have the subscriber count, and I don't have the view counts. Even if I had the subscriber count, my views suffer on my videos. So I guess it's time to kind of lay back and enjoy the hobby again. I enjoyed the hobby before I got into YouTubing, and I'm going to go back to that feature in my life, enjoying the hobby and enjoying life. I got a lot going on. I got a lot coming at me, but it's going to happen. We're going to make it happen. We'll visit. We'll definitely watch videos of my supporters, and I thank you very much again for all my supporters, all the kind words that I've received. With the last video, it's overwhelming. I do appreciate it. I really, really do. So, with all that being said, and I guess I'm done. So, hey, let's go RCing. You want to?